back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm going to try another product that I purchased during my last haul from Product Junkie Naturals of 2021. And today we're going to talk about and try this Product Junkie Naturals pumpkin and caramel leave-in curl treat. If you saw my previous video when I unboxed this, you know this is step 3, which is helpful for naturals that are brand new to being natural. So you know what product to use first, second, third, and so on. I have already washed and conditioned my hair, have my hair parted out, and I'm just going to use this as I normally do. When I try new products, I am going to try this by itself. This states this is for dry and thirsty curls, kinks, and coils. This is an 8-ounce bottle, and we can open it just like this, like it's a lotion, and let's see how it comes out. Okay, comes out just like a lotion. This is a thick leave-in, and the smell is wonderful. It smells just like pumpkin and caramel, just like it's listed on the title. You can really smell that caramel in there. So it's nice and sweet, and it sounds like it's a treat, just like it says on the jar. So you can see it hasn't went anywhere. That's how it looks there. And let's try it on the back of my hand. Nice and smooth, no lumps or bumps, and it feels like it has plenty of slip in it. Now the test is to see if it's going to have plenty of slip once I put it in my hair, and will it make things like twisting up my hair, bringing it up, a breeze or not. Okay, I'm going to waste any time here. I'm only going to use this. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my hair. I'm kind of in a rush here. I got to pick up some medication from the pharmacy, so I need to hurry up and pick up my son straight after that. So I'm just going to keep it good and simple. My hair is probably going to go back in like a bun or something like that. But what I want to see is how much moisture it gives me. Does it leave my hair soft once it dries? And do I feel like my hair is coated enough? So let's see. Look at my hand. Ooh, look at the shine. Let's see if this gives me enough shine too. Okay. It smells really good. Ooh. The slip is definitely there. That's what it looks like in my hair. Nice. Spreads really quickly here, and yeah, it feels really good. It feels really moisturizing on my hands. Nice, huh? I think I put more on this side than the other side, but that's okay. So no issues at all rubbing this throughout my hair. My hair feels soft. It does feel moisturized. This was very easy to spread, and I think a little bit goes a long way, especially if you're low porosity and a fine haired natural like I am. You don't need much. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, put my hair in a ponytail, and I may put twists at the bottom or at the top, I don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and let this dry, and we'll see what my hair looks and feels like once this is dry. So what had happened was, it's been about a week. Yeah, about a week since I put in these flat twists, and life happened. So we're gonna go ahead and just take these down. I'm probably gonna be washing my hair right after this because it's been about a week and my scalp has started to flake. Let me know in the comments if you have any problems with flaky scalp, you know, dandruff, stuff like that. Yeah, so anyway, here we go. Again, don't pay attention to the scalp and those flakes it's caused. This is what you call raw and uncut. So I will tell you again, just as a recap, when I did these flat twists with this Product Junkie Naturals pumpkin and caramel leave and curl treat, I did not use any oil at all. All I did is went straight from washing, conditioning my hair and applying this to my hair and just went upon my business. The next day, this was already dry. My hair didn't feel oily, it didn't feel heavy, nothing at all. My hair still feels soft the way it felt the next day. And again, this is 7 days later. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this down, see what my hair is feeling like, you know, see if it's still soft, things like that, and that's it. So I wonder if should I even put oil in my hands? I mean, it's almost like pointless at this point, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it anyway. Okay, again, and this is for the people that like to skip through my video and only watch like 2 minutes of it. Any flaking you see is from my scalp. You see how dry that is? Yeah. I was fighting a battle of the flakes like at day 2, and this is just a norm for me and my scalp till I figure out how in the world, you know, to deal with what's going on with my scalp. But did we see the definition? Y'all, this is just from the curl treat by itself. Yeah, I kept it in for a week, but me and my hair, I know it would have looked like this right after I took it out if it was the next day when it was dry. It's just how my hair is when it comes to defining it. It defines pretty quickly because I have fine hair. But look at that. That is pretty. So let's go ahead and just take it down as if we're actually going to do a style, even though I'm going in to wash it like right after this video. So there we have it. This is what I got using this pumpkin caramel leave-in curl treat from Product Junkie Naturals. One product. So if you're anything like me, you know, a wonderful way to find out how much moisture a product is going to give you is just trying it by itself. Especially if you're low porosity and a fine hair natural like I am, that is what I do. So y'all will have to tell me, what do you think? I will tell you that my hair still has moisture in it. It's still soft. It's not greasy. And my ends are not feeling fried and brittle. So everything is wonderful. I think this is a wonderful leave-in. I think just because the consistency of this leave-in isn't a cream, it is a light cream, in my opinion. So just keep that in mind. So that's it. I'm gonna go and wash my hair because my scalp is like We not playing with you no more. Wash it right now. So that's what I'm going to do. Let me know what you guys think. Have you tried this particular product or any other products from the pumpkin caramel line? Oh, and if you hadn't already signed up for Product Junkie Naturals email list, you might want to do that, because what I found out yesterday, there is another sale going on, basically a blowout sale to get rid of all the extra products, so they can go ahead and restock the site with all the products that they will be using going forward, you know, going to spring and everything like that. So I saw some products there, and I actually saw a few pumpkin caramel products, and that was as of last night. So I don't know what's there right now, and I don't know what's going to be there at the time you watch this, but check it out. Make sure you're following Product Junkie Naturals on Instagram, where she's doing regular lives talking about the ingredients in products, how to care for your hair, and all kinds of things. A lot of educational videos and a lot of tutorials doing her own hair, or maybe even one of her kids' hair. So make sure you're following so you don't miss those lives. Make sure you go ahead and sign up for the email list so you don't miss out. You never know if there's going to be a sudden sale that you just didn't know about because you were not signed up. So I would suggest, if you're a fan of Product Junkie Naturals, make sure you go ahead and do that. And of course, if you're a fan of me, if you have come back to my video at least for the second time by now, I sincerely hope you are subscribed. If you're not, please go ahead and do so. And don't be scared of hitting that like button. I'm noticing you guys are watching, but we can do better with them likes, don't you think? The more you guys hit that like button, the more it gets my videos out, and the more I can grow this channel. And that would be really nice in 2022 to hit that 1,000 mark, you know. So also, you know, if you know someone that might be interested in Product Junkie Naturals, or just in natural hair in general, or just any kind of hair videos, because as you can see from my previous video, I did a wig video, and that video was, that hair was, that wig was. Look, if you're subscribed to me and you have subscribed for all notifications, you saw the community tab. And if you're following me on Instagram, you saw that reel. Come on now. So if you like videos in general about hair, hair care, product reviews, and you know, I may put some makeup, some skincare, self-care tips, things like that, whatever else is going on in my life, just make sure you're subscribed and you've hit that notification bell, okay? So anyway, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, roses. Bye.